Shiny plastic and a slim profile can sell almost anything these days, especially when it comes to home appliances. You see those sleek modern lines and your brain immediately jumps to top-tier engineering. That is exactly the trap this latest cordless stick vacuum from a major tech giant sets for you. It looks like a premium, all-in-one solution that should solve every single one of your floor cleaning woes. But there is a massive gap between what the glossy ads promise and what you actually experience once you pull it out of the box. Let's talk about the suction first. On paper, the numbers are impressive. They use big words and high stats to make you think it can pour dust from the center of the earth. In the real world, it picks up light dust and crumbs just fine. Try to tackle cereal kernels or deep embedded dirt in a thick rug and things change. It starts to struggle. It leaves beads behind. You find yourself going over the same spots 3 or 4 times. Then there is the battery situation. We have all been there. You are halfway through the living room and the power starts to dip. The manufacturer claims it has a long runtime. That might be true if you use the lowest, weakest setting. If you actually want to clean, you turn it up to max. On that high setting, the battery drops faster than a stone. You end up rushing to finish before the whole thing just goes dark. It turns a simple chore into a race against a clock. And let's not overlook the dust cup. It is tiny. If you have a pet or a house where humans actually live, you will be walking to the trash can every 5 minutes. It gets old incredibly fast. Moving from room to room feels less like a breeze and more like a series of interruptions. Even the build quality is a bit of a mixed bag. It feels sturdy when you first pick it up. It has a decent weight. But after a few weeks of regular use, you start to see the scratches. You notice the dents. It starts to look tired much sooner than a premium machine should. Maintenance adds another layer of work. Because the filters are so small, they clog up quickly. If you do not clean them constantly, that suction power you paid for drops even further. Even on a full charge, the suction tends to drop gradually as the battery drains. This means the last corner you clean will not be as tidy as the first one. It creates an uneven experience that can be really frustrating if you are a bit of a perfectionist. You end up spending as much time cleaning the vacuum as you do cleaning your floors. The attachments are fine, but they are just the standard tools you get with literally any other stick vacuum on the market. There is nothing revolutionary here. It is also louder than you might expect. It is not a deal breaker for everyone. But if you wanted a quiet daily companion, this might not be it. Where it actually shines is the quick stuff. If you just need to heat the stairs or clean out the car seats, it is very convenient. It is lightweight and easy to grab. It works well for those 3-minute jobs. But do not expect it to replace your heavy-duty upright vacuum. It just does not have the stamina or the deep cleaning muscle for the big tasks. You are trading raw power for convenience. That is the fundamental compromise here. It is not a fake product or a scam. It is just a very limited tool that is being marketed as a powerhouse. If you want something for light, daily touch-ups, it is a solid choice. But if you have kids, pets, or a lot of carpet, you might want to look elsewhere. Investing in a more powerful dedicated machine for the heavy lifting will save you a lot of frustration in the long run. The marketing fluff makes it sound like a dream, but the reality is much more grounded. It is a tool for the surface, not the deep down dirt that hides in your home. Stick to the facts and keep your expectations in check before you hit that buy button.